Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows computer stuck on restart. To do this, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on Settings. This time, from here, go ahead and click on Windows Update. Scroll down a bit and click on Update History. Now scroll down towards the bottom and click on Uninstall Updates. Go ahead and uninstall the latest update that was made on your computer and close out of that and try to restart your PC. And if this does not solve the issue, go ahead and try the next solution. Click the Windows key in your keyboard or taskbar and simply type in CMD. Go ahead and right click on this and run it as administrator. You will get a pop-up from user account control. Click yes to run it as administrator. Now I'm going to show you two commands that you want to go ahead and run. The first one is a SFC scan. It's basically SFC space / scan now. You want to go ahead and copy that or type that in right here. So it's going to write something like this: SFC space / scan now, and hit enter. Once you go ahead and do that and this is completed, you want to go ahead and run the second command, which is DISM space / online space / cleanup with a dash space / restore health. Go ahead and run that, and if this does not fix the issue of the restarting your PC, you want to go ahead and try another solution. And if after trying this your PC is still stuck while restarting, go ahead and try the next solution. Right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and this time click on your task manager. Under the task manager here, click on Startup Apps. From here, you want to disable any unwanted or unnecessary application that is set starting up on Windows. Let me go ahead and maximize this. So you want to go through the list and basically disable as much as you can. You will now be able to decipher which one of these applications is really causing the problem. So I recommend disable as much as possible and try to restart again. If this does not solve the problem for you, then you want to go ahead and try this last solution I'm about to share with you. Go ahead and right click on the Windows icon again, and this time click on Settings. From here, click on the Windows Update, and from here, you want to check for Windows Update. Mine is currently saying restart now, and that's because I have some pending updates here, which requires the Windows Update before I can check for Windows Update again. But in your case, you will have check for updates. Click that check for updates and you will be able to check for updates. Windows will try to find all the latest updates that is there, including if there was any bugs that is affecting your PC or whatever it is. Go ahead and check for updates. Keep in mind to ensure that you need an active internet connection. So if you don't have an internet connection at the moment, then check for updates will not work. So you want to go ahead and connect to a network and then try to check for updates. Once this is done, try to restart your PC. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.